Hey y'all, I'm Adam Higginbotham. I'm one of the co-founders of Liber Company Essential Cocktail Syrups. We are an Austin, Texas-based company, and we make a line of cocktail syrups for home bartenders that want to make better cocktails at home. We also supply over 1,000 of the top bars and restaurants around the country. Today we're coming at you from the beautiful gardens at Texas A&M University, and we're going to show you how to make our King Smash cocktail. It's a beautiful whiskey sour that incorporates fresh ginger, some fresh mint that's available here at the garden, and some bourbon and lemon. It's going to be beautiful. We're going to show you how to make it. So to get started with this King Smash, which is a version of a whiskey sour, we're going to take our cocktail shaker and we're going to fill the lower tin with some ice. And to make this, I usually like to go halfway, maybe 2/3 full of ice. And first we're going to add some of our fiery ginger syrup. So this is a syrup made with organic ginger juice and cane sugar. Very straightforward and very zesty, rich ginger flavor. And it's going to go really well with this bourbon, lemon, and mint. So I'm going to add 1/2 ounce of fiery ginger syrup. Next, I'm going to add some fresh lemon, and fresh lemon is super important. Fresh citrus in general is super important when you're making cocktails. If you're in a pinch, you can definitely add some of the stuff that's pre-bottled in the store, but I promise it's a worthwhile investment to grab some fresh lemons and limes and use them in your cocktails, and you will not be sorry. So I'm going to add 3/4 ounce of fresh lemon juice. This is a whiskey sour, so we really want that fresh lemon coming through. There we go. 3/4 ounce of fresh lemon. So lastly, I'm just going to add some bourbon here, 1.5 ounces of a good bourbon. And this is again a whiskey sour riff, so you want a good bourbon for this. So the last thing we're going to do is add some fresh mint to our shaker. And I'm going to reach for 3 or 4 big leaves, maybe 5 if you really like that mint flavor. I'm just going to tear them and drop them into the shaker. And as I shake this cocktail with that ice, I'm going to shake it really nice and hard, and it's going to break up that mint, and it's really going to allow that essential oil to permeate through the cocktail. It's going to pair really nicely with that ginger and that fresh lemon. So that's it. We got all 4 ingredients in our shaker. We really want to give this a nice hard shake. If you're shaking a cocktail at a party or a gathering, you are a rock star, so don't be intimidated, don't be self-conscious. You really want to give this a nice shake. So the tin is ice cold now. That's kind of when you know you've given it a good hard shake. Last thing to do is fill a rocks glass with some fresh ice. I like to fill my glasses all the way with ice. You really don't want to under ice your cocktail. You want to make sure it's nice and cold, and then it reaches that point where it stays nice and cold. So all the way to the top. And then all that's left is to strain our cocktail and enjoy. And for garnish, you really cannot go wrong with a nice big bouquet of fresh mint. So I'm just going to reach for some here. And I like to wake up those oils by kind of just slapping it in my hand a little bit, and that's going to really wake up those aromas. So that when I lift this up to my mouth to try it, I'm just getting full mint, full ginger, nice bourbon. That's the King Smash from the Texas A&M Gardens.